Hidden in the countryside east of Nowa Nowa is one of East Gippsland's most fascinating pieces of railway history, O'Grady's Bridge, also known as the Wairewa Railway Bridge. In this holiday hunter adventure, we explore the surviving timber trestle from both the ground and the air. Our drone footage reveals the bridge's remarkable curved design, its enormous wooden framework, the surrounding Victorian landscape, and the damage left behind by the devastating 2019/2020 bushfires. Yet its strength endures, with 2/3 still standing, including the dramatic section over Wairewa Road. Once part of the former railway route between Bairnsdale and Orbost, the bridge now stands beside the East Gippsland Rail Trail as a powerful reminder of Victoria's railway past. It is a fascinating stop for rail enthusiasts, history lovers, photographers, and travellers searching for unusual hidden gems around East Gippsland. Have you visited O'Grady's Bridge or explored the East Gippsland Rail Trail? Let us know in the comments. Please like the video, subscribe to The Holiday Hunter, and join us as we uncover more Australian attractions, historic places, and hidden adventures. don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life.